Good morning everybody, it's John from Drones and Planes, and today we are back at Stansted Airport. I'll keep the intro short so you can get straight into the action. Here's the music.
Protocol Echo, turn left at 270 degrees, descend to altitude 5,000 feet.
Well, good morning everybody, it's John again from Drones and Planes, and we're here at Stansted Sunday morning, Ryanair departure, and it's a bit windy again, but straight down the runway today. I don't think we'll get any crosswind stuff, but yeah, this one's off to Venice. A little bit of a wind tip there, that was quite a thing, but yeah, I mean the wind is literally straight down the runway today, pretty much, so don't see any, expect to see anything dodgy. And here we have another Ryanair. First day of spring, two Ryanair straight after each other, so nothing changes there. Here we have yet another Ryanair. It's a YAR. Not sure this one's off to either, sorry. Not really up with it this morning, but early on a Sunday for me. Wow, that was a very quick takeoff. I mean, there's a strong wind today, but that was pretty empty, I think. Sorry about that, but yeah, I'm still getting the hang of this tripod, so it's has to excuse the slightly dodgy footage today. And yet another Ryanair arrival, so it's about 4 on the bounce we've had now. So we've got yet another Ryanair. I think it's about number 5 on the trot now. Lost count, to be honest. Young Josh has decided to join us as well. He was just sat in the car with his mum watching his iPad, and now he's come out to come out and play. It's been really busy. I've only been here about 20 minutes and I've had 5 aircraft movements, which is unusual really, especially seeing we're still in lockdown. Not moaning, but yeah, it's good. We've got Channix going out in a minute. Got Jet 2 to you and I. Quite nice change from all the Ryanair. The Jess Glynn Special. We all know and love that music, don't we? Can you imagine working as cabin crew on that airline and hearing that music 3 or 4 times a day, if not more? It would drive me mad. Anyway, let's see how quickly this little lady gets up. And now we have a Ryanair from Riga. A Ryanair from Riga. Lots of cars in there around the Rabbit Roski Ringy, whatever the saying is. Around the Ragged Rock. The Ragged Rascal Rock. Wind's 20 knots straight in his face, that's going to make it go a bit slower. It's the Ryanair that's just landed from Riga, taxiing back to the terminal building. Here we've got the old Jet 2 coming back, just on a quick circuit. Should be landing in a few moments. Pegasus going off to Istanbul. As I said before, these are a very, very regular flight every day, pretty much. A lovely bright yellow sunny tail. Pegasus lining up. I've just seen the Turkey cargo going out in a minute as well. So hopefully we'll be able to get that in a few minutes. Here goes Pegasus. Oops, let's get used to this. and white one over at the back there, Josh. Yes, this is a bit of a beast. I'm quite excited about seeing this one go. So there we go, so the clearance, and the wind speeds are 20 gusting 30 at 230 degrees. Now that's not too bad because the runway's aligned at 220 degrees, so a 10 degree crosswind is nothing for these big boys. A330, lovely job. Here we go, let's see if we can get this right. Listen to those lovely engines squealing up there. Typical big wing, just there we go. There is an A340G, private jet, believe it or not. I think it's some rich guy from Eastern Europe. It's due in a few minutes, quite nice to get that. Anyway, here comes the rocket. So we have an A340, an Airbus 340 coming into land now. It's a private jet, believe it or not, so quite impressive. Not seen these for a long time. I actually flew on one to South Africa way back in the day. Awesome beasts. 4 engines. Almost a rival to the Jumbo, but not quite. Never really took off as an aircraft, I'm afraid, I think, because I don't think the fuel consumption was that good, and obviously in this day of trying to save money and what have you, it's just too much of a beast. Pretty awesome.
A340 that we saw earlier. Plane is now on its way out again. Quite cool.
I actually got to work and train on Tuesday. And how dare they?
Flight 12 uniform, fly over everyone, line up for base, I'm 826. Everyone, line up for base.
So I've had to flick over to my other camera to get this one because I ran out of battery on my main one. So I don't know how this is going to turn out. Give it a go. It's the Asiana 747 anyway. And here is a little EasyJet from Edinburgh. Almost a go around then, because the Gulfstream just landed and the Ryanair was pretty much straight behind it, and the tower was asking whether or not he was visual with it. Luckily it cleared just before the landing clearance was given.
Okay everyone, that's the end of the show and I hope you enjoyed the footage. If you do, please give me a like, and if you've got any feedback, leave it in the comments below. I will try and reply to every single one of your comments. If you want to be amongst the first to get the action when I upload new videos, then please consider subscribing. Anyway, that's all for today. Stay safe and hope to see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.